Hello, welcome and welcome back. It's Judy here from Thistledew Creations, and I have a quick little thrift haul for you today. Just one quick stop at the Mission Thrift with my sister, and we found dye powders, a whole bunch of different colors, quite a few packs of them. And of course, I've been looking for colored dye to do papers with. So we've got purple, blue, dark blue, light blue, different colors of pink and purple. That looks like maybe a navy blue. And it's from fashionangels.com. Greens, pinks, even gray. A couple of reds, orange, a few different greens. So we'll have a whole bunch of fun dyeing papers this summer. And then I found one, there was a lot of scrapbooking stuff there, and I did resist the urge to buy another package of scrapbooking paper. I really am proud of myself for not buying papers because they had a lot, but the prices weren't tremendous on them. But I did pick up these stickers because I really like bees and rainbows, and I thought these were just really fun. And they are peel and stick patches. So they have a sticky back, but they are like the sewn, machine sewn patches. So I thought those were fun. And I got a piece of lace that was half price. It was about 30 cents. And it seems to be, I don't know that it's crocheted. It's little squares with stitches in between. I don't think it's crocheted. I think it's some other type of needlework. If anyone knows what you would call this type of needlework, let me know. So that will end up just as part of a journal spread or something. And then I got a couple of tea towels, really nice ones. These are Life at Home. I don't know where that brand is from, but these are going to go perfect in my kitchen. They were $1.59, which again isn't a tremendously good price. You can get tea towels at the dollar store for that, but they were the perfect color and that sort of country ticking stripe that I like. So there was 2 of those. And then this one was half price, no, 70% off, $2.29. And there's 2 of these, I guess they're napkins or hankies. So they're a pale brownish pink. They have the embroidery on the one end. Isn't that pretty? And then the scalloped edge with the tiny little stitching. I think that's machine done. But this all looks like it's hand done. So 2 of those for less than $1.15. And then a box of cards. Now these they were labeled Power of Intention cards. They were 99 cents. And these are from Dr. Wayne W. Dyer, who is someone I have watched a little bit on the internet. I think he's not with us anymore, but he was a very good psychologist, maybe, something like that. I don't think he was a medical doctor. It's going to be difficult to open. There we go. So it's a deck of 50 cards. The Power of Intention. So talking about your inner dialogue, don't take offense, extend love. So not quite positive affirmations, more lessons to learn in life, maybe. So those will be good for Happy Mail. And they have all different things on the back too. all kind of off-white tones and yellow tones. But good messages. So I'm excited to have those because I did like Dr. Wayne Dyer. And then we've got a bridge gift set with playing card decks and coordinating score pad. Design. So this was $1.19. And it's fairly new, just looking at the packaging, and it's got a, what do you call it? Definitely new in package. Still has the plastic on it. So we got one deck of cards that says, "Listen, honey, I'm in a meeting." And the other one says, "It's hard work being the queen." So those will be fun. And then the bridge score pad is just that, like a pad of paper. Let's see if each page is cute or if it's just the cover that's cute. Don't talk about yourself. We'll do that after you leave. Contract bridge. So it's just a sort of a basic bridge score pad. White paper. I might coffee dye some of those. Make them look older. And then of course you get the little box, which you can use for organizing little things. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for $1.19. It wasn't on sale either. The colors were red and green today. And then a book from the 10-cent pile. They always have a box of books that are 10 cents. And this is Twinkle the Tooth Fairy. Something's missing out of the front here. I could use that to make a shaker of some sort. But I just thought anytime we have a chance to get something with cute little fairy pictures, we should pick it up. And then there's these borders with the stars. You can use that. But all the little fairies. Of course, she is the Tooth Fairy. And there's a pretty full page. So that was a good find for 10 cents. I'm sure I'll be able to get 10 cents worth of use out of that. So that's all. I did get a couple of mugs. I've already thrown those in the dishwasher. And a little snack dish of some glassware that I used to collect and thought I was done collecting, but it was only $2, so I got it. I'm not going to bore you with that stuff, but those were the finds that I got for crafting. Now these tea towels will probably go in my kitchen first. They're too good to just craft with them yet. But yeah, you got to see those anyway. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing my thrift haul. If you don't have a chance to get out, it's sometimes nice to just watch and see what someone else found. And of course, some of it, you never know, could end up in other videos, like the dies and the playing cards, maybe even the napkins. Power of Intention will end up in Happy Mail probably. Same with these cards. We should probably do another playing card swap soon and do some decorating of playing cards. So that was a good haul. I think I spent $16 and that included the 2 mugs and the little dish. So not too bad. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. But most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.